Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the front end loader. So let us detailly discuss this topic in upcoming slides. So before going to today's topic, let us discuss the things that we have seen in the previous session. So in last session, we detailly discussed about the special vehicles, their steering types, and different types of special vehicles that has been used in different domains. So let us move to the today's topic. Okay, so we now we are going to see our topic in a DT-based manner. First, we'll go with an empathy. Why this particular front-end loader is needed? So we know that in construction sites, in the place where the digging or the carrying of the loosened materials involves, they needs more manpower, right? For carrying the loosened materials like sand, cement, etc., taken from one place to another, it requires more manpower, and also it takes more time, and also it is difficult to use manpower for a long span in a single day. Okay, so these are the pain points when we go or when we see in the case of the working in construction sites or during the road construction. So in order to overcome these pain points, we need to design a new vehicle which overcomes all these problems. So by consolidating the empathy, we are coming to the defined part that workers takes too much time and physical efforts to lift more heavy materials like soil, sands, and stones, and this causes the slow work progress because when we compare to the other process, manual processes, time consuming one, and also it is not efficient, so the work progress will be slow, and easily the humans will get fatigue when we compare to the machines, and also some safety is also involved here, and there is a need for faster and easier way to handle the heavy materials, because with the help of the human beings it is not possible, right? So we need an extra machine or a vehicle which serves this purpose. So in order to overcome these pain points, a vehicle that has been designed, which is called as a front end loader. So a front end loader is needed because it can be used to work either in construction site or mining areas for carrying the loosened materials from one place to another. So it can carry and lift soil, sand, stones, and etc. like other loosened materials in mining areas also. It saves times, reduces the labor, and also makes the work safer when you compare to the manual works. So instead of many peoples, this vehicle can do the works that we require. So front end loader is also called as wheel loader, pay loader, or bucket loader. So it's a construction machine for main purpose. It has been used for loading, lifting, and transporting the loosened materials from one place to another. So here you can see the picture of the front end loader. It consists of a bucket to carry the loosened materials. So these are the components that has been involved in this front end loader: chassis or frame, engine transmission system, the hydraulic system, the boom is there for making support to the bucket, the axles and wheels, cabin or operator platform, which is enhanced with the rollover protection frame, and counterweight, which is nothing but the engine here will, engine plus the extra weight has been added with which will act as a counterweight in the rear side of the vehicle in order to balance the weight which has been taken through the front end bucket, and then the braking system. So these are some basic components that has been involved in this particular front end loader. So we know that we can separate this particular vehicle into 2 to 3 parts. The first part will be the bucket with the boom assembly. Here you can see that. So this area, and so this area will be the driver operating cabin where the controls has been fixed, and also the rear of the engine is placed in rear of the vehicle in case of front end loaders, which also acts as a counterweight. So in rear side, both the engine and the transmission unit has been fixed. In a driver cabin, the main control valve and the controlling unit has been fixed over there. And in front of the vehicle, the bucket along with the boom has been attached with the hydraulic cylinder. Here, the hydraulic cylinder will act as a central medium, which is used in just moving the buckets up and down, or moving to certain angle according to the requirement or the input given by the driver inside the cabin. So with the help of this front end loader, we can do the scoop operation, and we can transport the scooped loosened materials from one place to another. And when we reach that particular place, we can dump by changing the angle of the bucket. So the whole process has been controlled by the hydraulic system, where it consists of hydraulic pump, the reservoir, and the hydraulic valves and the motor through which the hydraulic pump, the reservoir, and with the help of the hydraulic pump, the normal fluid which is converted to pressurized fluid, and it is sent to the hydraulic cylinder to actuate the bucket and the boom. So the advantages of this vehicle is it has high loading capacity, high maneuverable, and durable and strong for heavy duty conditions, and easy to operate with the simple hydraulic controls. Efficient material handling when compared to the manual process, reduces the manpower and less operating time. And the disadvantages, the high fuel consumption, and limiting digging depth. With the help of this front end vehicle, we cannot dig that much according to our requirement. And it has larger turning radius, high maintenance cost, and not suitable for the soft and slippery surface. So the application it includes, can be used in the construction site, mining operations, agriculture sectors, in road construction works, and waste management, and forestry works, and also in the industrial yards. So in this mind mapping, we'll go through the what are things that I have seen so far. We have seen this course content, the definition, introduction, the problem, and the ideation need for that problem, and key components, performance, and the applications. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.